everyone, this is Sarah from TheStyleBlog. I'm back again, and today I want to do a video of my top 10 beauty product favorites at the moment. So I have like 4 makeup beauty products, 3 hair products, and then 3 body products. These are the products that I use over and over again, most of them every single day, and I recommend them to everyone I know because they're my favorites. So let's just get started. My first beauty product favorite is the Benefit They're Real Mascara. I get this in black. This, for me, creates the most volume and length for my lashes of any mascara I've ever tried, and I've tried like so many mascaras because I'm obsessed with having long lashes without false lashes or extensions. So if you can see, it creates awesome length and volume, and it doesn't make them super thick and clumpy. I bought this probably, I don't know, 10, 15 times in a row because I love it so much. So I highly recommend this mascara if you want super long, voluminous lashes. Okay, my second beauty product makeup favorite is this makeup sponge. It's a certain brand from Amazon. I'll be sure to link it below because these are my favorite and they're really inexpensive. They're so soft and they blend really well. They hold just the perfect amount of water. I've tried some that just are like a brick. They just hold on to so much water and you can't get it out, and some of them don't hold enough water and they're super dry. Some are really too soft and some are too firm. For me, this is the perfect one. So these come in a pack of 5 in all different colors, and I think they're less than 10 bucks for 5 of them. They last for a long time. You can wash them as well. I just used this for my makeup this morning, is why there's some makeup on it. These are awesome and I can't say enough good things about them. Next up, I have a drugstore concealer that is awesome. This one's by Maybelline. It's called the Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circles. I'm always looking for products to get rid of these dark circles I always have underneath my eyes, and this does it. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. I have this in shade light and it provides so much coverage. I love it. I use it every single day. Next up, I have this tinted moisturizer. I got this about a month ago from ColourPop. It's really inexpensive, and honestly, I've never tried a tinted moisturizer that I love, and this one I do love. It provides not just sheer coverage, but you can sort of build it up to a medium coverage, which I like. I like to just throw this on if I have to run out the house and I don't have time to get all the way ready. It'll give me a little bit of coverage, and especially in the winter, my skin is a little bit drier, so this provides a little bit of moisture during the day, which I really enjoy. I got this in shade Fair 4in. They have lots of different shades, and I'll show you here. Provides pretty decent coverage for a tinted moisturizer, which I really like, and it comes in lots of shades so you can match your skin, and I just have really been loving this a lot. Okay, next up I have a really fun product. These are the best hair ties I've ever tried in my entire life. I've used nothing but these hair ties for the past, I don't know, year or two. They're amazing. They're super thick because I have thick hair. I think they would work super well on thin hair as well. They don't pull or anything. They come in a pack of 8 for like 10 bucks. And they last forever. They don't stretch out, and they hold your hair super well. They come in really fun colors. You can get black, or you can get like a pack of, I think this was like a festival party pack, and they have a couple colors that match my hair really well. They have dark colors that'll match your hair. These keep my hair up super well during like high impact workouts, running, all day long. They will keep your hair where you want it. You notice how they're pretty thick. They don't pull, they don't snag, they don't break my hair. These are the bomb. I love them. My second favorite hair product is this Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. This is my favorite dry shampoo I've ever used ever. I have it in my hair right now. Can you tell that I haven't washed my hair in a whole week? It's Saturday and I washed my hair last Saturday, and the only thing that is holding this together and I don't look a grease ball is because of this dry shampoo. Seriously, it's the only thing I've used in my hair all week. It's awesome. So with this dry shampoo, it's just a little bit different than other dry shampoos. So you're gonna shake it up super well like you would any dry shampoo. Then you're gonna take some of your hair, spray it from a little ways away. Whew, it smells really good too. And then you're gonna wait, I think it says 30 seconds. Yeah, you wait 30 seconds and then you shake it out. So it has time to absorb the oil, whereas I know other dry shampoos, you just kind of rub it in your hair. This says that it absorbs the oil and then you shake it out of your hair so the oil's gone. So we're waiting here. All right, so now I'm just gonna sort of shake the product out. And it gives me really awesome volume. And my hair looks like I just washed it. It's awesome. So I definitely keep repurchasing this over and over again because it makes my hair last all week long with only having to wash it once, especially in the winter when the air is dry. I know that sounds crazy and it sounds like my hair is super gross, but really it isn't. I get way more compliments on my hair toward the end of the week than I do when my hair is freshly washed. So, all right, my third beauty product favorite for hair is this Kenra Platinum Blow Dry Spray. It's thermal protection and like a leave-in conditioner for your hair. So I spray this on my hair after I wash it when it's still wet, probably from here down, focusing on the ends, and then I blow dry. So this leaves my hair super silky soft, and it prevents breakage and split ends. I really hardly ever have any breakage or split ends, and I have this product probably to partially thank at least. And then it leaves my hair smelling awesome. Don't you guys love a product that just smells so good? I do. Also, this keeps the frizz away and it helps my hair stay super smooth and silky. I really like it. Okay, so my first favorite body product that I really, I don't want to say couldn't live without, but I wouldn't want to live without it, is this Saint-Tropez bronzing mousse. This isn't just their regular, it's the Self Tan Express. So this one's kind of special in that if you put it on, if you leave it on for 1 hour, you get light tan. 2 hours you get a medium tan, and then 3 hours you get a dark tan. I always leave it on for 3 hours because I'm really pasty and I like to look tan, but I don't want to go to a tanning bed. So this, I usually put it on like 3 hours before I'm gonna go to sleep at night, just as I'm like watching TV, cleaning the house, catching up on some work stuff. And it sets in, and then I shower before I go to bed, and honestly it doesn't stain anything after I shower, and it doesn't make anything smell like my sheets or my clothes or anything after I shower, and then it doesn't ever stain my clothes that I'm wearing with it or anything like that. I personally just don't like to sleep in self-tanner because I don't like when my sheets smell gross. I don't know if anyone else feels like that, so this is good that it works for 3 hours before you go to bed, or even 1 or 2 for the light or medium tan, and then you just wash it off and you go to sleep, and you aren't sticky and you don't feel gross. I'm a big fan of this because it gives me really good color in only 1 application. I don't like applying self-tanner over and over and over again to see any sort of tan. So this I keep buying over and over again too. I apply it with a mitt. You can also apply it with a brush. I want to do a video about how I apply my self-tanner, so be on the lookout for that one. So my second favorite body beauty product, we're getting into the mouthful of lines here, is this Elta MD Skincare UV Pure Broad Spectrum SPF 47. That's a mouthful, but honestly, I like using physical sunscreen instead of chemical sunscreen. I feel like it works better, and studies show that it's safer for us, especially if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. So I started using this when I was pregnant, and I just kept using it because I really love it. I use it on my face every single day underneath my foundation, and this one's waterproof for 80 minutes. So this is kind of the highest coverage you're gonna get for your face. They're not really rated over 50 SPF. And water resistant 80 minutes is the highest they can be water resistant rated. So this is gonna stay on. Obviously you need to reapply if you're gonna be in the sun all day or something like that, but this keeps my melasma at bay. I don't know if you've watched my other makeup tutorials, but I do have a little bit of melasma on my forehead from pregnancy and breastfeeding. So this keeps it from getting worse while I do my skincare products to kind of fade it. So you can apply this to your face and body. I honestly just apply this to my face and neck every single day, even if I'm not wearing makeup. Before I get out of bed, I go to the bathroom, wash my face, and then put this in my skincare on, no matter what, even if I'm not going outside, even if it's raining for the day, because it will protect my skin. This is not greasy. It doesn't clog my pores. I can't even tell that it's on unless I put a ton on, then it'll be a little white. But if you blend it in well, I honestly can't tell this is on, and it works super well. It's kept my melasma from getting worse. I really recommend it. And last but not least is my favorite lotion. So I've been trying to sort of, when I run out of a beauty product, explore more natural options. So does anyone else use Environmental Working Group, EWG.org? I like that site a lot. So anyway, I just switched to this Aveeno lotion, and it's the unscented because honestly everything has a scent. I don't need more scented on me in my lotion. And it is a daily moisturizing lotion, and this works super well even in the winter when my skin gets a little bit drier. I apply this anytime I take a shower, and I really don't have scaly or dry skin. So recommend this one also. It's not super expensive. You can buy it at the drugstore, grocery store, wherever. I promise everything will be linked below, and if you have any questions, let me know and I'll try to answer your question. Also, find me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and let me know if you've tried these, what you think of them. I highly recommend them. So if you go try them, please let me know what you think of them. And if you have any favorite product recommendations for me, please leave them below. I always like to try new things, and I would love to try your favorites. So anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye from the Style Blog.